Welcome to the Beginners Series Plyometrics. 40 minutes, warm up to cool down. Let's get started. Take a brief moment to look at the program and understand what exercises you have to do, how long it's going to take, and what equipment you're going to need before you begin. Once you have a good understanding of what you're supposed to do today, now you can start your warm-up. Your warm-up will consist first of an incline walk and a decline walk. You want to set the incline at a 6. You want to set your speed at a 0.5. As you get more comfortable, you can always increase your speed, but never go past a 3. Our main goal here is body realignment. Most of us tend to walk with a posture that is too far forward or too far backwards, and it tends to misalign our bodies. If we do a proper incline walk and decline walk consistently, over time, we can realign our bodies into their natural positions. The next section of your warm-up is a 5-minute stretch. I have laid out a set of stretches here that I believe, if you do properly, will get your body to its normal extensibility. The goal while stretching is not to overstretch or understretch. It's to get your body to feel good. Everything we do is about feeling. You must remember that. So if there's a set of stretches that you like better than what you see here, please do them. You know your body better than anybody else. So do the stretches that make you feel comfortable, but you must stretch every day, at least 5 minutes a day. So take these stretches, if they look good to you, and make them work for you, or do your own, but always stretch before you exercise. And remember, stretching is a feeling-based game. If your hamstring is more sore than your quad is, stretch your hamstring more, and vice versa. You need to always be in control of how you feel and understand that's most important. Now let's get started with the main work. If you take away nothing else from what you hear today, make sure when you're performing plyometrics, you always reset and you land softly. Exercise number 1 will be the step-ups. When performing a step-up, make sure you select a box that's no more than 12 inches to start. Preferably, you would want to start with a 6-inch box. Make sure you step fully on the platform. You drive your knee up to your waist, you keep your head up, and you keep a nice upright posture. Make sure you land softly on the way down. Remember, we're doing 4 exercises, 2 sets, 8 repetitions, 2-minute rest in between each set. Exercise number 2 will be the lateral box shuffles. You want to start by having both feet on one side of the box. You want to step both feet onto the box, shuffle over, land with both feet on the opposite side of the box, and then repeat the process. Try to use your hands when performing this exercise. It helps with the rhythm. You want to glide over the box. Exercise number 3 will be the lateral squat walks. First, you want to start in a squatted position with your butt down. Keep your butt down the entire exercise. Step to the left, step back to the center, step to the right, step back to the center. Keep your head up the entire time. Exercise number 4 will be the squat jumps. When performing the squat jumps, you want to start in a squatted position. You want to explode up through your toes, land softly on your toes, drive back down through your heels, then explode back up. It's super important to make sure you keep your head up, your back flat, and you land softly at all times. Make sure you reset. Balance is key. Awesome, you finished your 4 exercises for the day. Now it's time to do your cool down. We like to start our cool down with a 5-minute bike ride. Remember, you choose the speed. Just make sure you keep an upright posture and do not grab the handles too firmly. The second portion of your cool down is the Stairmaster. Make sure you keep an upright posture. You can grab the handles, just not too firmly, and always ensure that you choose a speed that's appropriate for a cool down. Remember, you're cooling down, getting your body and your heart rate back towards normal ranges. That's super critical. You're cooling down. Great job. See you tomorrow, champ. And remember, don't be that person. Wipe down and re-rack your equipment. Stay strong. Osiris Strong.